Hi there, my name's Bethany, and I'm going to talk for a minute about how Live Loud Chiropractic has helped my back pain get a whole lot better. I've had chronic back pain for, 20 years, and I'd seen Dr. Nichelle and Dr. Antonio on and off a little bit through a couple pregnancies, and all of the normal management things I'd been doing to help my back pain just weren't cutting it anymore, and so I sought out some help, and Dr. Antonio recommended the 6-month low back pain program, and it has been really beneficial. I'm really grateful for his help and insight. I thought I already knew a lot about my back and how it worked and why it hurt and what to do to make it better, and it turns out there was a lot more that I had left to learn to figure out how to help it. And Dr. Antonio has been incredibly patient and helpful and did a great job tailoring the program to what I needed, and really broke it back down and then was able to build it back up in a really helpful way, and I would highly recommend their program. It was a big investment, and I'm really glad I did it, and now I'm set up for success moving forward. I would definitely recommend Live Loud. Thank you. Bye-bye.